Hey my lovelies, this is MUTULU and I trust that you and your family are well. Now today I'm sharing a video, or a recipe I should say, that just solely focuses on oranges. Yes. You see, the thing about MUTULU is that I am able to give you simplicity in yet the most effective and productive way. It doesn't take much to enjoy food in terms of ingredients. It doesn't take much ingredients to heal your body and to feel good in your body. So the first smoothie was for me, mother. That was just simply oranges, blended up without the peel, and some African ginger. I've been enjoying that thoroughly. It was roughly 5 oranges. The second smoothie you saw was for baby, and that was some sea moss, some purple pre-soaked sea moss with a bit of hemp seeds and the oranges, and that's it. And as the video continues, you will see that I take that same base for the baby and add some steamed baby bananas. It's wonderful. This is breakfast right here, my lovely. This can also be served as a snack. The babies love it. It's creamy, it's rich, it's sweet. As you saw, I did not add any additional sweetener, no dates, no honey, no agave, none of that. The oranges and its sweetness is suffice. And especially if you go ahead and add some steamed or raw baby bananas, your babies, your children, even yourself, you'll be extremely grateful. It's lovely. Now, as an addition to my smoothie, I added some of the sea moss tonic, which was already pre-made. So the sea moss tonic, I have a video on that via my YouTube, Dear MUTULU. It's also on the Instagram page as well. And I just topped it up with that. This jar here is roughly 1 liter. And that was breakfast lovely. It was lovely. It was rich. Now the thing is that oranges is such an underrated fruit in my opinion. People are always looking to the exotic fruits and things that they can find, that they see all the lovely Instagram influencers showboating on their pages. But just some basic seeded oranges with some African ginger and some sea moss, if you will, is highly beneficial. This is how the skin is going to glow, the dewiness, the cellular hydration I'm always banging on about. This is it, my lovely. You can make this with any other fruit. You can work with mangoes and papayas and berries and all kinds of other fruits. Your family will definitely benefit from this. Also note that this is a wonderful way to implement fruits into your lifestyle and to introduce solids to your babies. So if you're not feeling too good, this is a wonderful way to get some nutrients within your system, also to hydrate yourself on a cellular level, and most importantly, to enrich your body with potassium and folate as well. Oranges is rich in both minerals. So I'd encourage you to play about with your fruits, but be mindful to keep your combination of fruits very simple. There's no need to go ham and be adding everything from your fruit basket. Just keep things simple. Simplicity is key when it comes to correcting your gut flora and enhancing your well-being for you and your family. So I trust that this recipe will serve you and your household well. Take care.